If you're tired of plastic containers that stain, smell, or leak, glass food storage is a smart upgrade. Today, I'm sharing 5 of the best glass food storage containers covering meal prep, leftovers, office lunches, and on-the-go meals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Vtopmart 5-pack 22 oz glass storage containers. The Vtopmart 22-ounce glass containers are a great option for everyday meal prep. They are made from borosilicate glass, so they're oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. The snap-lock lids with silicone seals do a solid job of preventing leaks, which is perfect for soups or sauces. Pros: affordable 5-pack, truly airtight and stackable, great size for portion control. Cons: plastic lids aren't oven safe, only one size per set. If you want reliable glass containers without spending a lot, Vtopmart is a strong budget-friendly pick. Number 2. Rubbermaid Brilliance glass containers. Rubbermaid Brilliance is all about premium quality and versatility. This set includes multiple sizes, vented microwave-safe lids, and crystal-clear glass that resists stains and odors. The universal lid system is a big plus for the organization. Pros: excellent leak-proof performance, multiple sizes in one set, oven-safe glass up to 450 degrees F. Cons: higher price point, heavier than basic sets. If you meal prep for the whole family and want long-term durability, this set is worth the investment. Number 3. KOMUEE 24-piece glass food storage set. This KOMUEE set gives you 12 containers and 12 lids, making it ideal for bulk meal prepping. You get different shapes and sizes, all made from borosilicate glass, with airtight snap lids for freshness. Pros: huge value for the price, multiple sizes for different foods, stackable and space-saving. Cons: lids must be removed before heating, takes more storage space overall. If you like preparing meals days in advance, this set covers almost every storage need. Number 4. Prep Naturals 36 oz glass meal prep containers. Prep Naturals focuses on portion control and convenience. These 36-ounce containers feature multi-compartment designs, making them perfect for balanced meals. They're sturdy, stylish, and ideal for office lunches. Pros: large capacity with compartments, excellent for diet and meal planning, very durable glass. Cons: more expensive per container, bulkier than standard containers. If structured meals are important to you, Prep Naturals is a fantastic choice. Number 5. Tronco 24 oz glass lunch bowl. The Tronco glass lunch bowl is designed for on-the-go use. It's perfect for soups, salads, yogurt, or overnight oats. The leak-proof lid and silicone sleeve make it easy to carry without spills. Pros: lightweight and portable, great for hot or cold meals, eco-friendly and reusable. Cons: only one container per set, lid is not oven safe. If you need a stylish, single-container solution for daily lunches, Tronco is a solid pick. So whether you're meal prepping for the week or packing a quick lunch, there's a glass container here for every lifestyle. Check the links below for today's best deals and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more honest home and kitchen reviews.